This is for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We're going to look at exercise 10.1, question 11. So this is actually a multiple choice question. We're trying to find the probability that a student always writes to school. Okay, let's read the information. Of the 125 students in Year 10, 15 write to school every day, 30 write to school sometimes. Now, our total is out of 125 because there's 125 students. We know 15 ride every day to school. So, always write to school is 15 out of 125. All I'm doing is simplifying that probability. So we know 5 goes into 15 3 times. 5 goes into 125. So 5 goes into 120 times, and then 5 goes in 25 5 times. So you should get 25. So the answer would be A, 3 out of 25 for part A. I think what students get confused at is that you got the wrong total because you're assuming that the total is 15 plus 30, which is 45. That's not correct. The total is actually 125, which is stated in the question. What's the probability never writes to school? Okay, so 15 writes every day, 30 writes sometimes, so the remainder must never write to school. Okay, so we know that 15 plus 30. Okay, we know 15 rides. We know 15 rides every day. 30 rides sometimes. What I'm doing is I'm actually trying to find the complement. Why am I finding complements? I'm going 1 minus when they do ride, whether it's sometimes or every day. So what I'm doing is I'm working out, okay, 15 plus 30 is 45 out of 125. So 1 minus that, meaning I'm going 1 is the same as 125 out of 125 minus 45 out of 125. I should get a value of, okay, I'm subtracting 40, so it's 85, so it's 80 out of 125. Now 5 goes into 80, 5 goes into 40 8 times, 5 goes in 80 16 times, and we got 25. So my answer should be C. Okay, an alternative way to doing this is you can look at what the number of students that are not writing to school at all. So we can go, we know the total is 150, so you subtract 15, subtract 30, so you should get out of 125, which is equal to, so subtract 45, again you get 80 out of 125, which simplifies to 16 out of 25. So there's two ways to do it, it's up to you. You can do it complement way, or you can just do the way where it makes sense, like you know that 125 less 15 less 30 gives you the number of students that don't write to school, and the total is out of 125. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Oh, sorry, that should be answer C, not A. Answer C for part 2.